Hi, my name is Adam and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about FOLIFORT before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FOLIFORT is, be careful with the website you're going to buy FOLIFORT from, because FOLIFORT is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is FOLIFORT? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes, FOLIFORT doesn't just stop your hair from falling out, but also regrows it, strengthens your scalp and follicles and helps you shield yourself against baldness for good. It also supports healthy skin, improves your digestion, boosts your energy levels. So you'll also be improving your overall health at the same time. FOLIFORT addresses the real root cause of your hair loss in an extremely safe and natural way and shields your gut so you can stay protected against microbial diseases. It does not require any restrictive diets and it does not interfere with other supplements you might be taking. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with FOLIFORT and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know. Before buying it, you can actually test FOLIFORT for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for FOLIFORT to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. The recommended is to buy 6 bottles of FOLIFORT. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, FOLIFORT has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy FOLIFORT from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that FOLIFORT actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.